In a stunning display of skill and precision, the Indian Armed Forces recently executed Operation Sindoor, taking down 10 fighter jets from the Pakistan Air Force. This operation showcased the strength and readiness of India's military capabilities. But that's not all. On the ground, a C-130 transport aircraft was also destroyed, alongside a surveillance aircraft that was caught off guard. The operation not only highlights the strategic prowess of the Indian forces but also sends a clear message about their commitment to national security. With tensions in the region, this decisive action has sparked discussions about air superiority and defense strategies. As the dust settles, the implications of Operation Sindoor will likely resonate for a long time, shaping future military engagements and diplomatic relations. The Indian Armed Forces have proven once again that they are prepared to defend the